In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your template in a Squarespace website. If you're looking to give your website a fresh new look, it's quick and easy in Squarespace. Let's walk through the steps together. First, head over to your Squarespace home and locate the Website tab. Clicking on this tab will take you into the main configuration area of your site, which is where all the magic happens. It's like the control center for your entire website, and from here you can manage every aspect of your site's design. Once you're in, look for the Styles option. This is where you'll begin customizing your site's appearance. Clicking here will open up the menu where you can start making changes to the overall design. Next, click on Themes. Themes are essentially the backbone of your site's visual style. They're the preset design choices that alter the layout and some key elements of your site. Upon selecting Themes, you'll see a list of all available theme styles. You can browse through these to find the one that best meets your vision for your website. Remember that your theme choice can significantly impact the feel and functionality of your site, so take your time here. After choosing a theme, the next step is to customize your fonts to match the tone and style of your website. Click on Fonts to access the font settings. Fonts set the tone for your text, so they're an essential part of your site's aesthetic. You have the option to scroll through various font styles and pick one that resonates with your brand's identity. Moving on, click on Colors. Colors are crucial in making your website visually appealing and ensuring it aligns with your brand's color palette. After clicking on Colors, choose a colorway that complements your overall design. This is especially important for creating a cohesive look throughout your entire site. Once you've settled on colors, it's time to look at button styles. Buttons are interactive elements that can greatly impact user experience. Find the Buttons option and go through the various styles available until you find something that looks great and is easy for users to interact with. Finally, it's crucial not to forget to save all your changes. At the top right corner, there should be a Save button. Clicking this ensures that all the modifications you've made are applied to your live site. And there you have it, a refreshed template that can give your Squarespace website a whole new look and feel. Taking the time to customize each element not only improves your site's aesthetic appeal, but also enhances user engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.